Hello viewers, and welcome to Everything Travel and Health. On this channel, I provide free, valuable, informative, and do-it-yourself content to help you easily move abroad to your desired destination. In my previous videos, I have discussed extensively how to immigrate to Canada with a job offer. But today, I bring you the good news that you can also immigrate to Canada without a job offer. I mean that you could move to Canada without needing a job offer from a Canadian employer. Yes, you heard me correctly. Without a job offer. A lot of people have successfully emigrated to Canada through various relocation pathways and through work permit visas, and several are currently in the process of doing so too. However, there are a few others who do not want to go through the hassles and stress of looking for a job and getting a job offer. If you fall into this category of foreign national, then this news is specifically for you. This is possible through a Canadian immigration program designed for individuals who are finding it difficult to secure a job offer or do not want to get one, but still wish to immigrate to Canada. The program I am talking about is the Nova Scotia Labour Market Priority Stream. In this video, I shall be talking you through all you need to know about this program. I will tell you about the wonderful features of the program that make it unique, the eligibility criteria, and how to apply for the program. Stay tuned to the end of this video to understand how you can use this program to fulfill your dream of living in Canada. If you have not yet subscribed, kindly do so to enjoy more of our informative content. Click the notification bell to be notified of my future uploads. Let's get started. The Nova Scotia Labour Market Priority Stream is currently one of the most accessible ways for foreign workers to emigrate to Canada. The program has straightforward eligibility requirements and is currently the only stream that does not require a job offer to qualify. Apart from not requiring a job offer, the Nova Scotia Labour Market Priority Stream has other unique features that differentiate it from other Canadian immigration pathways. These features include 1. Low education requirements. This program doesn't require applicants to hold a degree or higher education. People with high school diplomas or grade 12 certificates are also eligible to participate in this program. 2. Minimal work experience. Unlike other Canadian immigration pathways, the Nova Scotia Labour Market Priority Stream is open to individuals with as little as 1 year of work experience. Hence, you do not require several years of work experience to be eligible. 3. No connections to the province needed. To be eligible to participate in this program, applicants are not required to have any connections or ties to Nova Scotia. Hence, you can participate in this program whether or not you have family members in the province. 4. No minimum comprehensive ranking system (CRS) score required. As long as an applicant is in the Federal Express Entry Pool and has selected Nova Scotia as one of their preferred provinces, they are eligible for this program. Irrespective of what their CRS score is, you can be selected to immigrate to Canada. This is so awesome. 5. Family immigration. Applicants can bring their families with them to Canada through this program as long as their passports have an expiration date of at least 2 years from the date of the application. Now, let's consider the eligibility requirements for this program. To do so, let's take a look at the information on Nova Scotia's official website. It says here that the Nova Scotia Labour Market Priority Stream selects candidates in the Federal Express Entry System who meet provincial labour market needs to apply for nomination. Only candidates who receive a letter of interest from the Nova Scotia Office of Immigration may apply. For eligibility to apply, you must fulfill the following conditions. 1. Receive a letter of interest from the Nova Scotia nominee program within the Express Entry system. 2. Submit your application within 30 calendar days of the date on which your letter of interest was issued. 3. Meet the minimum work experience requirements of the Express Entry stream for which you have qualified. 4. Demonstrate sufficient funds to successfully establish yourself and your family in Nova Scotia and to pay your immigration costs and travel expenses. 5. Have legal status in your current country of residence. 6. Meet the eligibility criteria in place at the time you are issued a letter of interest and 7. Have a valid Express Entry number and meet all IRCC criteria for the Express Entry pool. I have included a link to the application guide, which contains a document checklist of all the necessary documents. Let's now discuss how to apply for this program. It's important to note that you cannot apply directly to Nova Scotia for the labor market priority stream. First, you must create an Express Entry profile and indicate your interest in emigrating to Nova Scotia. If you meet the eligibility requirements for the program, you may receive a letter of interest from the Nova Scotia Office of Immigration. Once you receive the letter of interest, you can apply for the program through your Express Entry profile. If you do not have an Express Entry profile yet, the following are the important steps you need to take to get one. 1. Get an educational credential assessment. Your academic credentials must be evaluated by an education evaluation service that is accepted by Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada, IRCC. At least your high school certificate must be evaluated. An example of an education evaluation service is World Education Services, WES. 2. Take an English or French language test. You need to provide your language proficiency test results, and the minimum score required for the Nova Scotia Labour Market Priority Stream is Canadian Language Benchmark, CLB, 7. This implies that you will be requested to get at least 6 points in each of the reading, writing, listening, and speaking components of the IELTS exam. You can see that the score is quite low and achievable. 3. Submit an expression of interest, EOI. While creating your profile, you need to express your interest in moving to Nova Scotia by selecting either all provinces or just Nova Scotia if that's the only province you're interested in moving to. 4. Show proof of funds. You need to show that you have enough funds for yourself and your family members, if applicable, to support yourself financially until you find a job in Nova Scotia. The specific amount you need to show will be mentioned in your Express Entry profile. The amount required isn't usually so much. After creating your Express Entry profile and receiving your Express Entry profile number, you will be automatically added to the Nova Scotia Labour Market Priority Streams database as a foreign worker who is interested in working in Nova Scotia. Remember to provide all the necessary details about your work experience, family, and other information that you can easily provide. If you meet the criteria for a specific labor market priority in that case, you will be sent a letter of interest and expected to respond within 30 days and begin the application process immediately. It's important to note that if you submit your application later than 30 days after receiving the letter of interest, it will be rejected. Moving to Canada without a job offer is one of the simplest ways to immigrate, and I encourage you to take action right away if you truly want to immigrate to Canada. Do not also forget that this route is towards the attainment of permanent resident status. So, get involved today. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, kindly share this video with your friends and family, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more informative content on traveling abroad, if you have not done so already. Hit the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any of my upcoming informative videos. I'll see you in my next video.